The Roswell Incident of 1947 remains one of the most discussed and debated events in the history of UFO sightings and conspiracy theories. On a stormy night in July of that year, something crashed in the desert near Roswell, New Mexico, sparking a series of events that would fuel speculation and mystery for decades. The official narrative was that it was a weather balloon, but many believed that it was actually an extraterrestrial spacecraft, and that the U.S. government has been covering up the truth ever since. This article delves into the details of this conspiracy theory, exploring the evidence, claims, and implications of the Roswell Incident cover-up. The incident, on July 8, 1947, the Roswell Army Airfield RAF issued a press release stating that they had recovered a flying disc from a ranch near Roswell. This announcement was quickly retracted, and a new statement was issued, claiming that the debris was from a weather balloon. Witnesses reported seeing strange materials at the crash site, including metal that was exceptionally strong yet light, and which had unusual properties. Some claimed to have seen alien bodies, describing small, humanoid figures with large heads and eyes. These accounts were dismissed by the government, which insisted that the debris was part of a top-secret project known as Project Mogul, involving high-altitude balloons designed to detect Soviet nuclear tests. The cover-up theory. Proponents of the cover-up theory argue that the weather balloon explanation was a hastily concocted story to hide the truth about the recovery of an alien spacecraft. They point to several factors to support their claims. Contradictory statements. Initial reports from the military mentioned a flying disc, but this was quickly retracted and replaced with the weather balloon explanation. The inconsistency in the official narrative fueled suspicions. Witness testimonies. Numerous individuals, including military personnel and local residents, claimed to have seen unusual debris and alien bodies at the crash site. These accounts were often dismissed or discredited by authorities, but they persist in the public imagination. Physical evidence. Some witnesses described materials that were unlike anything known at the time, including metal that could return to its original shape after being crumpled. These descriptions do not match the materials used in weather balloons. Government secrecy. The U.S. government's handling of the incident, including the swift retraction of the initial press release and the subsequent secrecy, has been cited as evidence of a cover-up. The military's involvement in removing the debris and sealing off the area also added to the mystery. Project Blue Book. The Air Force's investigation into UFOs, known as Project Blue Book, was often criticized for its lack of transparency and for downplaying or debunking credible sightings. Critics argue that the project was part of a broader effort to cover up evidence of extraterrestrial visitation, implications, and legacy. The Roswell Incident has had a profound impact on popular culture and the collective imagination. It has inspired countless books, movies, and TV shows, and remains a cornerstone of UFO and conspiracy theory lore. The idea that the government might be hiding the truth about extraterrestrial contact resonates with many who are skeptical of official narratives and distrustful of authority. In recent years, the U.S. government has released previously classified documents related to UFO sightings and investigations, fueling further interest and speculation. While these documents have not provided conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial visitation, they have confirmed that the government has taken the phenomenon seriously and has conducted extensive research into unexplained aerial phenomena. Conclusion. The Roswell Incident cover-up remains one of the most enduring and intriguing conspiracy theories of our time. Whether one believes in the extraterrestrial explanation or not, the event has become a symbol of the mysteries and uncertainties that continue to captivate our imagination. The debate over what really happened in the New Mexico desert in 1947 is unlikely to be resolved anytime soon, ensuring that the Roswell Incident will remain a topic of fascination and speculation for years to come.